for the introduction, right? Okay, here I am. Just two things. First 10 minutes, just let me know, and last 5 minutes, right? Okay. Right, till the slides come up, good morning जोर से कल बोला था ना, KS का full form क्या है? Very nice. So every even ISMPPO जो इतना बड़ा सा नाम है ना, it's nice.
Some of us are from South India who don't understand.
Yeah. So KS full form Kama Sutra. So all the organizers will be very happy because your mind or the brain is now in the soup of sex. Yeah, there it is, right? Hard mass, flesh and bone person right in front of you, but you have to see beyond. So that's what all psychiatry is all about. So I'll be talking on more on relationship. It's a very abstract thing, but I would like to concretize it, and that's what happens with psychiatry also. Like when you are looking at psychiatry, you are tending to go into the abstract world more. So let's know what psychiatry is in the concrete thing. And mind का बहुत there are a lot of definitions of mind. So for a psychiatrist or for any practitioners like the medicine practitioners, what exactly mind is. Take home messages, there are 3 in this. So whenever it comes up, I will be hovering about around the take home messages, and other things I'll be skipping fast. Lot of things to talk. So why this is like when we talk about sex, you never get this kind of image like somebody masturbating. Right, it is always a couple on that, and that's why like it is not of the individual but of the unit that we all know. It's a dyad, so like many people had like the wife doesn't come, the husband doesn't come, or whatever it is. We need the couple for the sexual therapy because it's sex means it is this 2 people involved in that. Now this we all know, the sexual cycle. Most of the problems are here, arousal phase. Because of the time difference between the male sexual cycle and the female sexual cycle, the erection can happen in a minute, right? In one of the psychologist lectures I heard, like they joke about it, like which is the lightest thing in the world? It's the man's penis. It can be lifted by just one single thought, so don't need any force over there, right? So the arousal takes about a minute, and the entire cycle can get over in 5 minutes. In female arousal, the lubrication swelling, it at least takes 10-15 minutes of foreplay and everything. So the man's sexual cycle gets over. Once ejaculation, the refractory period starts, and this other person is left unsatisfied. So it's a more problematic area of this. Once you psychoeducate the couple about this, most of the sexual issues get resolved. We know about the anatomical and whatever, like people don't have much of anatomical knowledge, even educated people, but this is also this. It's very important that it's a reflex. That means what? If the stimulation is proper, the reflex is going to start and end, right? What inhibits this reflex is all the sexual dysfunctions. I will be talking on the psychological aspect and not the organic thing that we were hearing about around the genitalia, all the organic causes. So it is all the brain related things. So it's a reflex. What inhibits the reflex? This is the autonomic nervous system. We all know how sympathetic and parasympathetic are involved. So once this is very quick, like even if something moves here, I'll be jumping like this because it's so quick to act that it is going to save my thing. Sympathetic is responsible for the orgasm, ejaculation, parasympathetic for the arousal. They are in a very sensitive balance. Subtle way, if something happens, the sympathetic increases. One thought, will I be able to perform, is enough to increase the sympathetic. Your arousal is low, erectile dysfunction, PE can be contributed by that anxious thought, right? So this is what happens in the brain. Amygdala hijack, this is the concept, the first take home message. What happens, like it's a simple thing, if you just draw 2 C's and one ulta C. Yeah, so this is very easy to explain to a patient. The front part of the brain is the rational thinker. If you cut that out, you become an animal brain, right? Both brains are absolutely right. There is nothing called as right wrong. It is just an animal mode thinking or the human mode thinking, emotional decision, emotional thinking, and rational thinking or something. There is nothing called as right wrong, so that we need to take that home. And whenever a certain emotion increases a certain threshold, the prefrontal cortex or premotor frontal cortex shuts down, and you are into animal mode of fight, flight, freeze. Whether you go into fight, flight, or fright depends on what is the software installed in your organ. Is it an anxious one? Is it an aggressive one? Is it a depressive one? So if my software is a bit anxious, like if you test my heart rate, it will be more. If I'm sitting there, it will be different. Somebody else's heart rate will be there more, कि कभी मैं जाके बात करूं, they will be more relaxed here, right? So it all depends on what kind of hardware and software is there. Once that emotion goes, the rational brain stops. I'm into fight, flight, freeze mode. Once the emotion comes down, the rational brain thinks, and we don't get right wrong. We get alternatives. I could have done this, I could have done this, I could have done this, and you have to take a decision based on that. Low emotion, calm, relaxed, parasympathetic activity, more erectile, erection and everything, all the arousal going fine. High emotion, all those things. Now these are the issues that we need to address, because in relationship will be coming to that. Anger, fear, excitement, love, hate, disgust, frustration. Negative emotion, atta maji satakli. Like the Singham's dialogue is amygdala hijack. Okay, I don't understand whom I am hitting. I'm angry, I'm going to hit. Whether it is a politician or whatever, I don't care. I'll think later on, right? So that's amygdala hijack. In subtle ways, we also need to understand this organ is there in our head also. So when a patient is talking and we feel this person na bahut pakata hai. He talks a lot, I don't want to see. Depending on if I'm an aggressive patient, you didn't take your medicines, you don't follow my thing, why do I help you? You first take your medicines. Bhaga diya. I'm in a subtle amygdala hijack. If I'm anxious, what am I going to do? We'll change some molecule, we'll see if you can go to counseling and everything. We don't know what counseling exactly is. Like counseling, anybody talks about counseling, even like NEET students get counseling when they want to choose a seat. It's not counseling. It's called counseling is a very specific thing, we'll come to that later on. So these are very important, because any partner in the sexual activity, a subtle amygdala hijack, your sexual reflex is going to settle down. It's not a response. It's male female sexual response, not reflex. Like ना reflexly वो बंद हो जाएगा, reflex बंद हो जाएगा. अपनी तरफ से जो response बना के maintain रखना है, what we need to maintain the response is to not think negative in this. It is very difficult. It's not that easy. We'll come to know why. Now this is just to know about why you get into that, because the outcome or the goal, the performance anxiety, the sexual thing is a play, and that's why there's a word called foreplay and afterplay. When you play, you are playing for the pleasure of process. You are not performing like a dance thing or a sports thing. You are not worried about how many runs I'm going to score, how long I'm going to thrust, right? It's just like I'm going to enjoy with my sexual toy, and my sexual toy in this thing is my partner, and my partner's sexual toy is me. I'll be selfish in enjoying myself, and that selfishness comes with the edge of the selfishness should go away, that you are not harming the partner in any way. The word becomes selfishness. You are a true self expressing the true love at that point, and your brain is very stable, right? And that is what we need to understand. It's a play. When children play, they say, come over, let's joke. I don't know how to play. Arey, aja. The rules and regulations, fine, we'll just enjoy. And they learn out of that. And with training, your brain is highly trainable organ. They start enjoying and performing well also that. So this word gives a lot of anxiety. Subtle amygdala hijack, the reflex is gone. Now sexual dysfunctions. Early marriage, we know that it is lack of awareness, because we don't know anything about the reproductive, like sexual education, there are a lot of talks, but I think so sex education, if the word is replaced by reproductive health, it might be introduced in schools, and then we can get into the sexuality and everything from there. But the word sex becomes a prejudice kind of thing. There's something they will show or something will be taught and everything. So the sexual education, this lack of awareness is all about the early marriage. Lack of the anatomical thing, like we know that many people talked yesterday that female cannot see their own vulva. They need a mirror. Males can definitely see the organ, but female doesn't know what is going on down. If the females are so confused, forget about the males, they don't even know what is there. Like when we do internship, if you start with urinary catheterization, I know where is the urethra and everything, but when I put it, when I call the resident, chala gaya, अच्छे से, I have done it. Where have you put it? Is gone in the vagina. It doesn't go in the urethra. It's so difficult to find that. It's so confusing kind of thing. Once you are trained, then you know what exactly where it is. This is with the anatomical knowledge of a sexual or of a medical student, right? Forget about the lay people then. The other thing in late marriage, this is the emotional conflict that arises, which leads to all the emotions that we saw, and it inhibits the reflex, and then the sexual issues start. Now coming to relationship, marriage. Marriage is a man-made, society-made concept. It's not natural. Your brain is not hardwired for marriage, right? I'm hardwired for walking. Like parents will say, "Arey, isko utha ke chalate. Take a step. You're doing nothing. Leave it. He'll still walk. The baby still crawls and walks and everything. The baby will talk and everything. You will need to teach the language because China may learn Chinese over here, something else, right? Marriage is not hardwired in the brain. It is a concept which will come later on why it is. It is for the social institution so that there is less chaos in the society. Nature's goal is very concrete, biological. Somebody talked about that consummation. बच्चे बाहर आने चाहिए, offspring should go on. The nature's goal is survival of the species, right? And that's why basic thing is like the basic instinct that we told: roti, kapda, makan, maithun, food, clothing, shelter, and sex. We don't talk about the sex in the basic thing also because it doesn't go. It is always roti, kapda, makan. Maithun kidhar gaya, right? Because that's the generation of life. That's the basic instinct. It's so basic that it is very concrete. It is for the survival of species. Now, because it is not for the survival of self, without water, when I am thirsty, I am going to run for water. Without sex, I am not going to run towards sex. I will train my brain how to suppress those emotions of sexual thing, how to distract my brain to something else and stay away and my desire goes away. And that's where if my desire is very nice in the early marriage, later on it is died out, then we can rekindle that desire by teaching them, by training their brains, right? So it's very important. The nature's goal is for procreation and survival. Human goal of marriage, nobody knows. There where exactly the problem happens, and many people have this, like the Mangal Sutra is permission for Kama Sutra. So that marriage, there is a sexual component is important in marriage because a healthy marriage, the importance of sexuality is very important. If sexual dysfunction happens, not taken earlier help, your marriage is going to deteriorate because we'll see what maintains the marriage and what we need to do in that. So marriage is a very social concept because the chaos in the society should be reduced. That's why it's called, thank you, that's why it's called social institution. It's an institution. Institution kaisa hota hai, that will also come that will learn something in marriage, right? So it's a human goal, social institution, man-made concept, because if we live like this, we will be like animals. कुत्तों का ब्रीडिंग सीजन होता है, अपना नहीं होता है. So see the chaos that will be. I like this female, nothing is there. I'll copulate this one offspring there. I'll copulate this one offspring there, right? And evolution wise, male is having short sexual cycle for the same reason that I need to impregnate as many people as females as possible so that the offspring survives. The female's fertility time is very few days in the monthly cycle, but the male is like that. That's why there's short sexual cycle time, and the female it is a long one, right? Because the nature doesn't consider whether you get an orgasm or not. It's the offspring bahar aana chahiye. There should be an offspring. The survival of species goes away. Human goal, we'll talk about this later on. Now, concept 2, take home message 2. When you perceive the world, your brain is the filter through which it goes and it reaches me or I. I use the same brain and start acting, and acting will be the motor thing, whatever I behave or whatever I say, and this is very important. I am not equal to my brain. Very important thing. This never comes like this. This information is never going to come like this. Even if somebody else is teaching you, Baba, yes, nahi, this is different. It is coming from their brain through your brain, and then there are two filters, right? Whether to understand that other person's brain is very difficult, but this concept is very important, and this is the organ that we deal with. Any concrete functions of the organ, like my hands are trembling, Parkinson's, right? There is a stroke, you can see, you can measure. There is an MRI over there is a tumor over there, right? Neurologists, neurosurgeons. Any abstract functions of the brain, your thoughts and emotion. How happy are you? 10 kilo ki 5 kilo? I'm very happy. My happiness is more than you. No, today my happiness is more. Dikhao, nahi dikhta. How many thoughts? I'm getting many thoughts. How many? 10, 20, 50? Many thoughts. Show me. I can't show you. So anything which is wrong with the abstract functions of the brain, mental health professionals. They are of two types. One, like me, psychiatrist. Other one, the psychotherapist, counselors, whatever you call them. We work on the hardware. They will give the software. If the hardware is not ready, your software कितना भी डालो नहीं चलेगा. So you need to understand when is this person ready for counseling. It's not the person, it's when is this brain ready for counseling. The only question you need to ask is the prefrontal cortex open or is it not working? Any strong depression, anxiety going on, counseling is more supportive rather than the therapeutic because the software is not going to get installed, do whatever. Many people come to us before sitting na, हमें medicines नहीं, we don't want medicines, only counseling. Sit. It's absolutely okay. Psychiatry works just the opposite. Orthopedician fracture है, plaster लगाओ 2 हफ्ते बाद दिखाने आओ, like लगा के भेज दिया. Psychiatrist fracture है, it can be like this. What do you want? Okay, leave it. Fine, that's okay. Right? That's how psychiatry works. It's always the patient-centered. What you want to tell me, I'll take you. You want to go this direction, chalo. You want to go this direction, chalo. Right? We work on the quality of life, not the quantity of life. So that's very important, right? Thank you, dopamine surge. Right, so yeah, dopamine surge is very nice. We need that. And that happens in sexual orgasm also. That's why it's so pleasurable. So this very important concept. Why this is there? Remember, before you are sitting, like anybody sitting in front of you as a psychiatrist, it's all your patients or clients, whatever you call them, including me. I can't see myself. I can't see my brain. You need to understand what kind of organ I have. Otherwise, mera subtle amygdala hijack is done. My prefrontal cortex is shut. All the information how I'm going to use is through my prefrontal cortex. If that is shut, khatam ho gaya counseling. And that's why yesterday the first thing was like, how comfortable are you with the sexual topic? If you are not comfortable, your amygdala hijack is already done. The person is so in restless mode that he is just scanning what is there. मैंने ऐसे बोला डॉक्टर का ऐसे हो गया. He is not comfortable. He'll be open, not open. He'll close and go somewhere else. Right? Now this is marriage. Is marriage something between two individuals, two brains, or two bodies? Right? This is where everybody can see things. This nobody can know because nobody knows what I is. Coming to this, we told about the study of this. What is the study of this I? And that's the marked difference. We don't need to go into that. The first thing is do no harm, which you don't know, refer. This is spirituality. Who am I? Mujhe ke pata. Right? When I explain this concept, I understand all these things what you're doing, but then who am I? मेरा काम नहीं है. Private में मिलो, हम discuss करते हैं. In clinic, I'm a psychiatrist. I will only work on this. If you want information on this, spiritual guru. कौन सा? तुम ढूंढो. तुम्हारा spirituality तुमको पता है. Right? So that's very important. This is the spirituality. We have a marked line there. इसमें नहीं जाना है. If I'm a cardiologist, I can't treat renal diseases. I know something about kidney, but I should not. I know psychiatry. I will not go into the spiritual thing. But if it is involved because of this, I'll definitely go and see if there is my role over there. Now, this we don't know. Marriages are made in heaven, earth, but this is all what takes place. दिल का दिल मेल नहीं होता है, मन का मन होता है, मन का मन भी नहीं, brain का brain है. Right? I have not drawn, there should be a spinal cord also, why we'll come to that. So this is marriage. Problems कहाँ पे आते हैं? Why do problems arise? Because these questions are not answered. If we ask like why should we marry? Nobody knows why should we marry. Procreation, वो तो बिना marriage भी हो जाएगा. वैसे ही बच्चे घूम रहे हैं बहुत. मत करो, right? फिर क्या? Companionship becomes a very thing. Like whenever we talk to an audience, there is a biased audience. Like you are listening to me. There are some people sexual medicine है. हमको आता है. वो लोग क्या सीखेंगे? This is a biased audience that I have, right? So why should we marry? Companionship. Okay, what companionship? No, you will feel care, emotions, and support. All those are abstract things. How are you going to show my wife? Like if I have I'm going to go in the afternoon or night or the evening and meet my wife, I care for you. और entire day एक message नहीं भेजा, अभी care कहाँ से आया? Right? दिखाना है. You have to concretize that abstract thing because that is where the problem exists. So why should we marry? It's an individual choice. Companionship, security, stability, satisfaction, whatever your goal is. We think marriage is for training the brain, it's for learning, it is for development from the physical to the mental to the emotional to the spiritual aspect also. You can have spirituality in marriage also. Why we'll come to that, the spirituality aspect. Once you know that this is the goal, then I enter into that marriage. And then I ask, hi girl, this is my goal of marriage. What is your goal of marriage? I want money and this and that. I want this. Bye bye. We are not good partners. You are not a good girl or bad girl. I am not a good boy. We are not good partners in marriage. Because our goal is different. I want to go to VT, उसको करजट जाना है, ट्रेन में बैठना है. अरे पर कौन सी ट्रेन में बैठे? गड़बड़ होता है. We want to sit in the train, we'll travel, but I'll go this side, she'll go this side. Marriage is not going to work. Ask somebody who wants the same thing. Go along with that. And that's where, that's the individual's choice. Then the role of an individual comes with the role of a family. Like family, what should decide on family basis? What should we decide on the thing? So it's all a learning-based thing. This is what marriage is. When should we marry? This is how marriage is. 100% I enter into this. This is where the wedding occurs. 50-50 हो जाता है. Then we become we, me का उल्टा, W. It is upside down, right? Marriage का वर्ब में ही फर्स्ट है मर. मरना है क्या शादी करके? हस्बैंड के वर्ब में ही बैंड बजा हुआ है, right? सबका बैंड बजने वाला है उधर. So this becomes like the me to we, and then this is entire thing is marriage, but marriage starts right over here and ends over here. What is this point? Like if you go into philosophy of Bhagavad Gita, na, this is brahmacharya ashram, grahastha ashram, vanprastha ashram, and sannyasa ashram. Brahmacharya ashram, it is not sexual celibacy. It's like information. Gather information as much as possible because there's a very tough time that is going to come if you want to marry. Because that's a philosophy that is given. It's not hardwired in your brain. It's a software you have to learn, and it's a very difficult thing because दो जन देते हैं फिर क्योंकि गृहस्थ आश्रम चलाना है मेरे को और एक कोई तो लगेगा. Right, yeah, somebody else I will need because I alone can't take that. But if I am going into that, only 50% of me will go into that unit. Other 50% is my wife. I can't take 50.5% also. No, mathematically it doesn't work. The unit is 100%. This unit is going to feed them, the people, jo bacche, children in the brahmacharya ashram, my parents who will be in vanprastha ashram, and my grandparents probably who is in sannyasa ashram. My parents forget about these. When we teach about counseling, about marriage, it's all about couple. अरे पकड़ो इनको. What is your role? When will this point differ? Right? This is vanprastha ashram means what? कि once my children are married, grahastha ashram उनका, I am going into vanprastha ashram means what? Going into the jungle, literally. Now literal और concept में बहुत फर्क रहता है ना. मतलब क्या कि 4 धाम यात्रा. Nowadays 10 days में flights and you are back in 14 days. Right? Olden generation, you go, you know how big our country is, 4 dham. They will never return, they are going to die. Right? And if they come also, chodo yaar, I don't want to go now. They will be happy. They leave. So the concept of this is, once my children are married, I need to get out of this and come out of it. And I will not look there. Even my nature sees to it that I get cataract. My ears are deaf. I can't walk. What do? We resolve the cataract. क्या चल रहा है? We put hearing aid, joint, सब new joint. अभी तो और बताओ मेरे को नहीं. It's that difficult it is because you have to know that this grahastha ashram is this. एक मयान में 2 तलवारें नहीं ना. 2 grahastha ashrams can't go there. You are the head of your family. I am the head of my family. When should we marry then? This is the one single question. Are you ready for sacrifice? मतलब क्या? My 50% is going to go off. Means what? I am earning 1 lakh per month bonus मिला है. iPhone चाहिए. My wife also wants iPhone. Same वाला. Are you going to buy for yourself or your wife? Good. Right? Yeah. But remember, compromise and sacrifice. Sacred है ये sacrifice. I give. I don't expect. Don't expect also. Compromise. It's a part of marriage. First bonus wife को, उसका bonus मेरे को. Right, that's compromise. It works in marriage. It has to work. Sacrifices I have giving. So what is it? When should you marry? Are you ready for sacrifice? Means what? 4 weekends I used to play every time with my friends on Saturday, Sunday. Abhi after marriage, 1 weekend you can go out. Rest of the time you have to spend with your wife. Why? Because time spend करोगे तो ही तो bonding आएगा. Right? But friends क्या बोलेंगे? तो मत करो शादी. Don't do marry. Because you are taking an active responsibility of that, and that's why the sacrifice. So when you show this abstract in concrete way in counseling, and they say, no, I don't think so, I'm ready yet. Fine enough, don't get married. Gynecologists will say it is very important to have first pregnancy before 30. That's again biological. I can marry at 5 years old, 14 years old, 20 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old, right? But my prefrontal cortex, if it's grown, it's an adult marriage, right? Why were child marriages in India itna achha maybe? The girl should already go into the boy's family and get used to it, and that's why children were getting married. But over a period of time, the concept was gone, the literal thing was come, and now with the scientific thing, adult brain you should have, and then only you should marry. And that's what it is. So, when you're ready for sacrifice, you can marry. Simple question as that, whom should you marry? Right? It's a very big topic, but the 3 C's you can see: compatibility, complementary, and coping. Compatibility, what is my liking? Complementary, I have differences, but as a team we can work. Coping, I have differences, I just cannot tolerate. 50-60%, 20-30%, 10% fine. If it is ulta, opposite, you are going to get into divorce. Divorce, not legal. Marriages happen here, it doesn't happen on paper. So does divorce happens here, it doesn't happen on paper. There are many marriages now which are divorced, but they're still living. So that's not that. And वहाँ पे sex कहाँ पे आएगा? There is no marriage, nobody is going to have sex. So this is what, because compatibility is what, like if I like movies and my wife like movies, okay, then how am I going to bond? Take a pet with you, keep it with you, and just meet him when you come back at home, and keep a dog walker उसके साथ. Dog walker को देख के ना, he'll be just very excited. Oh, I'm going to go out. And when you come home, he'll just come and sit to your side. Oh, देखिएगा, he'll go. More time you spend with the person, the more bonded you get. What will I do how will I spend with my wife? Because I have to do something. That's where the compatibility is, that we can go. Complementary is like, my wife is good in planning something, I am just good at driving. You plan, I'll drive. ऐसे मत करो, don't do drive. Come sit here, I'll plan. Right? अच्छा नहीं मेरे को नहीं, फिर चुपचाप बैठने का. Right? So that is how it is. Coping, I just don't like alcohol. Don't get married to an alcoholic. वो मेरे प्यार में ना दारू छोड़ देगा. No, he will leave you, will not quit alcohol. It प्यार का आएगा आगे, so we'll go there, right? What are we going to do in marriage is the most important thing. Another take-home message. Even if you don't tell your parents, patients, think that what will you do to your spouse at night or after listening to this. When it's an institution, marriage is a social institution, the function, there is an outcome. If I go to college, I know syllabus and exam, I get a degree, and there is a time frame. I know what is my office table, kitne ghante kaam karna, how much I should work. At the end of the month, I'll get salary. Marriage, I don't know what I have to study. I don't know how long it is. And I don't know what degree I'm going to get. And everything is abstract. What am I going to do here? Like, do we go to office and sit? Boss says, work. What? See, look, all other people are working. You also work. I don't know. Work? What are you doing? Look, everybody is working. Everybody is married. You also get married. But what are you doing? After 1 month, boss salary. You didn't work. You didn't tell me what to do. Concrete work, concrete salary. Abstract work, abstract salary. Right? Your entire marriage is lifelong decision. 5 years of MBBS, 5.5 years. Like, it's just like I'm sitting here in VGTI college, where I'm sitting. I'm here to learn medicine. I heard that you have top professors, very good college. I'm sitting. What is all this engineering stuff? Next day they will teach. Hari, 1 month ho gaya. When is medicine going to come? Hello, you are not teaching me the right thing. You have come in the wrong institution. That's where the partner selection is important. That I want to learn medicine, I select a medical college. I want to learn English, engineering here. Meri wife, if she changes, I'll be better husband. You change the wife. She's not going to change. Because that's the hardware. That's the software that she has. There will be little bit of change that can happen. If you understand, they will change. Yeah, there is one thing like na, we can change to some extent, not to the large extent. But वो कितना है फिर उसमें वो compatibility बहुत जरूरी है. So very important what to do. This is what you do in marriage. That is called marital work, which we call sharing in marriage. There are 4 types. You can add another one, spiritual. Right? But this is what, like I told, we should not go in the spiritual field. Practical sharing, sexual sharing, emotional sharing, intellectual sharing. What do you mean by practical sharing? It's an energy draining. I love my wife loves me. And HDFC say, we have taken a loan, EMIs for 15 years. They come home, are very sure EMI. Oh my God, so much of love. 3 EMIs, you are maaf. कोई माफ नहीं करने वाला. राइट? प्यार कितना भी हो, यू नीड टू पे द EMI, यू हैव टू बर्तन घसने हैं, वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स करने हैं, कुकिंग करनी है. डिड आई मैरी टू टेक केयर ऑफ अनदर इंडिविजुअल? ओ आई हैव लॉट ऑफ वर्क, आई हैव लॉट ऑफ स्पेस एंड टाइम एंड आई हैव लॉट ऑफ मनी, why not take care of another individual? So I have married. No, it's a energy draining. Your phone needs charging every day, your marriage needs charging every day also. If you don't recharge your phone, you know it's a concrete thing. Marriage ko recharge, you don't recharge, it's going to fail definitely. Because two different people from two different cultures with two different gender alag hai, right? Two different cultures and everything, they are going to have differences, they are going to fight. It's going to be very energy draining. What is the buffer? Is the energy gaining? Sexual sharing, not between the two thighs wala, between 2 years, right? That's the sensate focus and everything that will be coming up. Why sexual sharing is very important? Because once you get into sexual sharing, your physical intimacy, jadoo ki chappi, oxytocin release, your bonding is good. When you get into delivery, during labor, there is a lot of oxytocin that is released because of the labor to be helpful. But in the brain, it takes care that the mother is not very negative for the so much painful object that has come. Labor pain, worst pain, PTSD very rare. Now you have postpartum PTSD, but that is like if my child in ICU and everything. In normal labor, there's so much of pain. One psychologist who was observing me, her sister was delivering, and she told she was screaming inside. I was very scared. I am very scared कि pregnancy कैसे रही. And the moment she came out, she told, I will have one more kid. You were screaming just now, one more kid, right? Why? Because of the beauty of oxytocin. It just changes the negative bias into positive bias. That's why Mother India जैसी पिक्चरें होती है ना. Mother has killed the child. Oh my God, it's a spiritual relationship because the bonding is so thick. There's a long, big oxytocin release. Father India नहीं बनेगा. उसमें oxytocin आता नहीं. Orgasm में there is a small peaks in both, and that's why premarital sex is a no-no scientifically. It's not about religion. Right? There are some religions who don't even talk about premarital sex. Right? They say कि it's the individual choice. हमारे इसमें नहीं लिखा है. किसमें it is a sin. It is not to be done. But it's your choice. But why premarital sex not? I am into sexual activity because that's a true expression. You have to have sexual intimacy if there is a love in your marriage or in a relationship. Oxytocin released. We are both bonded neurologically. Some reason I didn't get married. I married some other person. First thing, कैसा है? शादी के पहले it was so nice, and now see, if that girl would have been my wife, that will keep you bonded to that girl, and you will not work on your marriage because of the next thing that will go. So that's why sexual sharing is important, because of the oxytocin release, so that your neurons bond each other and you get bonded to the environment also. So you need to be very careful where you are having sex. Is it in your in-laws place, at your place? You will be bonded, because you ask your mother, where did I get born? That was the doctor, that was the color of the parde. वो nurse, पता नहीं नाम, but so sweet she was. I can still remember. Why? Because the memory is consolidated. Just like PTSD in the negative side, the consolidation in the positive side. PTSD में it is all sympathetic drive and adrenergic overrush. This is the oxytocin which just changes the circuitry, right? Yeah. So emotional and intellectual sharing, it happens through words. This is like an ATM. Pin डाला पैसे बाहर. You have sex, oxytocin, you are bonded. These are EMIs. You have to keep doing it, and this is what we don't know what to do. This happens, but not at a neuronal level. It happens between the thighs, and that's why offsprings are there, but your bonding has not happened. This happens by use of words. Emotional sharing, oh, you don't look good today. What is happening? I'm feeling sad. Oh, you're feeling sad. Let me sit with you. What happened? That boss. You leave your work. No, that's not emotional sharing. As a male, you are bound to say, you do this, you do this, you do this. Problem solved, because male brain is made to solve targets. Female brain is not made to solve targets. They're made to talk about the problem and they solve themselves. Right? Emotional sharing हो रहती है. Intellectual is when you share your opinions. I read a book, I go to a book club, and then we feel next month we will take that book. मजा आया. अरे so long you were discussing on book. हम ना 2 घंटे पढ़ते थे और हमारा तो ड्रेनेज हो जाता था. ये 2 घंटे they have shared the books, read everything, and they want again. Why? Because that is the positivity that you get with intellectual sharing. This has to be happen there. One of the somebody told me na कि intellectual sharing I can do like this. Emotional sharing I have my friend. Sexual sharing I have 2 sexual partners. Practical, why should I marry? Don't marry. Who is telling you to marry? You remain fine. If you want to marry, you have to do this work. I don't want medical degree. Don't come to medical college. But now I am in medical college. I want medical degree. Study. You have to study. You have to give exams. You have to pass. You will get the degree. What you do with that, that's a different thing, right? So this is very important. This is third take-home message. Our brain is a negatively biased organ. There is an entire workshop on happiness that we can take on negativity bias. What does it mean? If I am your brain, I am there for your protection. That's the prime important thing as a brain I will be doing. Oh, there is a pothole. Yahan se chalo. Thank you, brain. Right? There is a beautiful rose. Can we look at it, brain? Don't. Come. You are getting late. Because I will be always be protecting you. Okay? Go and see what is happening. I will be always be showing you negative. This is how, if a person or any object, when it crosses the brain, you see more of the negative, very less of the positive. This happens automatically. This is happening. The pathways are laid. You have to select which direction you will tell the brain to go. That's the person's responsibility. If I know my organ, how it is functioning, if I know the software, I can tell, okay, do this. I know my hand. It can move like this. I can learn a skill, right? I can do moonwalk. Because I've learned that skill, but nobody has taught me. I have pathways laid of compassion, of caring and everything. I have to train that and skill, and that's where the love and everything is going to come. Negativity bias is this. Before marriage, he was like different. Pyar andha hota hai. Love is blind. Why? Because there is a chemical soup around your brain. When you see a love object, your brain is to that soup. It is just like goggles. Like if you wear red goggles, everything will be red. For this person, my brain shows me this. तुम लोग ना जलते हो, you are very jealous of that girl. तुमको ऐसा चटाक माल नहीं मिला ना इसलिए तुम लोग बोलते रहते गधी है, it's not good for you, she is not good, he is not good for you, he will leave anything for me. Love is blind. How many months does it take for this to come back over here? One of the psychologists has given the thing which is roughly around 1.5 years. 18 months she told, but it's somewhere related to 1.5 to 2 years that this changes here. Not when you have long distance relationship, you have to meet every day. And then after 18 months your brain comes here, and now if you see like this, oh, I used to like, but no, this is also there. I don't think so I can go. Right? Then you change your thing. But this happens and people get married, and after marriage that soup decreases, your brain is normal now. And then you see she's not good. Negativity bias. She's not good, I don't like, right? 4 pakan khilaye, wife has come from work, she has made food, I'm eating. Ye dal kaisi hai, there's so much of salt. Thad. Don't eat then. I work all day, right? I take care of your parents, I take care of this. Don't eat. Negativity bias, the communication that you need to do. There's a Gottman and colleagues karke, there's psychologists who give a number also. 3:1 for any other relationship, 5:1 in marital relationship. Means what? When you want to say one negative, you have to give that many positives first, then that negative in an indirect way, right? We as doctors, as human resources, we do that. We sit there, appraisal chalu hai. In the first 1/4 of the section, your work was so excellent. Promotion milne wala hai. And then at that moment we told कि अपनी company गई, but you just did so well. In the last 1 month, the project you could have done better. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So we know professionally we do that. In marriage at home we don't do, right? अरे this roti is very soft. Can I have one more? नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, बताओ बाबा, वो काम है, मैरिज वर्क है, काम किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता, राइट? वो अच्छी लगी, वो उस दिन का डेजर्ट है क्या, दैट यू मेक ना, मुझको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आज थोड़ा दाल, हाँ मुझे पता है, थोड़ा ना दाल रहने तो मैं खा लूंगी, आई विल ईट इट, यू रीड इट. The thing is changed. Why? Because somebody told, like I think Dr. Nilima told, that the emotional arousal is more important. What you did throughout the day will land up in what bedroom mein. That's how emotional female arousal is. Males don't care. That's why they have like visual arousal. These are emotional arousal. The entire day I need to be connected. I'm out. I'm here. My wife is somewhere. At home she is working. I'm here. मेरे पास मेरा मोबाइल है. I just sent messages. Blue टिकाया. अब they have not responded. 1 hour she has seen it. She's not responded. Give and get relationship है. Give and take नहीं है. Right? भेज दिया मैंने मेरा प्यार, उधर से आएगा कभी तो. It will come. And then she will tell her, how did it go? It was nice. And when I go home, she will be very happy. and she is connected to me. The entire day I will connect with this communication thing. In what way? Always remember that 3:1, 5:1. Doctor-patient relationship 50%. I have done my work, you let me know what you want. I don't want this, that's absolutely okay. Right? Why didn't you take the medicine? तुम लेते नहीं हो ना मेरा amygdala hijack. It's not important. I need to understand why didn't he take. That's where I can do. But if he doesn't chooses me, it's okay. I am not responsible to treat all my patients. Somebody is going to have complaint because the fit of his software and my software is not taking place. Right? So this is very important. Now, after this, if you have awareness, what you have to do in a relationship, you become priority. कि no, I have to do something because मेरी salary कट जाएगी if I don't go to work. I don't like working today, but no, I have to go. Right? I'll take time for that. 24 hours time. How much time do we work? 9-10 hours, all that IT sector. 24 minus 10, 14 hours. 14 minus 8 hours of sleep, 6. Right? 6. I took 2 hours to reach home last night. Right? In Bombay it is like 2 hours, 2 hours. 6 minus 4, 2 hours. 2 hours mein I'll take bath and get ready. 1 hour girls will say we need more, 1.5 hour. Chalo papa zyada de dete. Half an hour left. Half an hour mein are you going to have sex? Are you going to have marital work? What are you going to do? You don't have time. You need to take that time out. Okay, how am I going to take time? Because I am here but I am married. I don't go to work as single person, and when I come home and I'm married here also I have to continue doing that work. I need to use, there's lots of like, they think like WhatsApps came and mobile came, they're destroying relationship. You have a resource, it's an opportunity you can use in this way. Your brain is going to use it in the negativity bias. You have to tell, no brain, it's faltu mein on Instagram, you don't need to see, come here. What happens with Facebook and Instagram? They are positively biased social media. I went to London, look at my pictures and everybody smiling there. I saw this, I got a car, and we are like negativity bias. Our brain is negativity bias. So what happens on Facebook, if an average thing is there, they show like this, and my negativity bias this much, everybody is enjoying. When are you taking me to holiday? And how many friends do you have with Facebook? 500, 1000. Even if one person goes for a week, 52 weeks mein khatam ho jata hai. Right? And that's why we need to understand we don't do that. The emotional stability is important. Okay, once I manage how to take care of my brain, my hardware is ready to install software. Now I can do the sharing because it will take efforts. It's not easy. 5 minutes, yeah. This is the second last slide. Then it is going to bond me with my partner in a neurological way, right? Then it is going to bring belongingness to me, a sense of belongingness. I'll get security in my relationship. I'll get stability in my relationship. I'll get satisfaction in my relationship. Just see if this doesn't happen, you will be dissatisfied, the relationship will be unstable, you will be always insecure. He is at work most of the time. I know this girl messages him, कुछ चल रहा है क्या? Negativity bias of brain, nothing wrong. Negativity bias of brain. That's the brain that is doing something, right? How do we counsel? Counseling ka, where is that? I'll just skip that. Just 2 minutes, there are just 2 slides. To explain you why counseling. Counseling doesn't work here. These are the primary thoughts. Counseling work on the secondary thoughts. My brain is a thinking organ, is going to give thoughts. How many I don't know. Negative, yes. What I do with that thought, should I just stop, should I keep thinking, should I change it, depends on what I do with this thing. Many people come, बहुत विचार आता है, stop my thoughts. When you die, it will happen. I can't kill you. I can let you know this is how the thinking organ is. Evolution ने इतना काम किया, you gave a prefrontal cortex and you'd say now I don't want to think. Become an animal, right? You are a human being, live like that. Trees, animals, big jump, they mobile. Animals, human beings, it should be an exponentially big curve. It doesn't look like that. We always have like, not, it's a dog's life, गधे जैसे काम किया, उल्लू जैसे. अरे यार human being हो. ये गधे को लगना चाहिए ऐसे जाके, अरे यार कितना ना बेचारा इतना अच्छा है, कुछ नहीं पता चलता हमको. उनको अच्छा मजा रहता है कि I am having any lunch, no clothes, nothing, no sexual problem. I just mount, breeding season आता है, reflex goes, everything is happening. I don't know about pleasure, offspring चल रहा है, and this whole thing. So counseling works here, the secondary thing. And you need to understand whenever we are talking, you are at a dominant position. When a person is in front of you, you need to understand the negativity bias. If there is a trauma patient, abuse or something, and if you take that thing, there's already a negatively biased, super negatively biased. If I tell something, it might impact that person in a very negative way. You need to be very watchful what you are saying. Very watchful. It's not about just changing your perspective, but what am I saying? How is it going to take? And we always assume the potential of the brain is normal, IQ. First thing you have to know, IQ kam hai kya? Is it from the autism spectrum patient or something or whatever it is like? So last slide now. Right. So this is what, if you do this sharing, this is going to feed into sexual sharing. It's going to feed into this, it's a positive loop. If it doesn't happen, this doesn't happen, it's a negative loop, it's going to, and it doesn't happen in a day, it will deteriorate in the first 3-4 years time, right? So that's where it is. So the last take home message, understand, like know thyself, that was there in Matrix movie, na? It is important, know thyself from yourself, what others feel, and a third person perspective. Then you know truly yourself, right? So it is very important to understand your hardware and software, understand your partner's hardware and software, and then utilize it properly. So if you take care of the organ in between your ears, the organ in between your thighs will function fine. It is always here. Most of the sexual problems are psychological nahi, it is a hardcore neurological basis there. So it's very important that when we talk about psychotherapy counseling, we need to know that this statement is going to change some wiring. Like if we have just two eyes, one nose, lips, ears, everybody is looking different. Billions of neurons, how different they will be internally, how different their opinions will be. Mujhe lagta hai this is easy. For that person it is not. It is very difficult, right? And then we feel, how can you think like that? I am not thinking, my brain is thinking. And once you dissociate that, the patient feel comfortable with you, that I am not labeled for the first time. They are not telling, how come you do this, how come, acha, this is how your brain's pattern is, that's why this happened. Now we understand this is how your brain, what can you do with that? Oh, if this is happening, I can do this. Counseling is that. You stimulate the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex comes out with different kinds of thoughts. They practice at home again and again. The brain has to train. The change always happens on the opposite direction. It's an exponential curve. The first few months don't show changes. Later on it starts changing and you have changed the life. You get very happy that this person, every time she or he comes to me and asks, kitna acha mera counseling chal raha. No, the person has become dependent. He or she is not counseling. He or she is coming to you, utilizing your prefrontal cortex, you use the prefrontal cortex, goes home and utilizes that. Problem comes back, utilizes your prefrontal cortex. We have not taught that this is your organ, this is your software, learn this thing, this is your training, go away, right? We need to send that. Okay, that's the last one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Shall I take question? But very only one question, very brief, because we are running short of time. There are 4 more lectures in this session. Please.
Just want to thank Kamalji sir. It's always an honor to hear you. Rather than a lecture, it was more of like a matrimonial workshop. I'm Dr. Rathi, psychiatrist. I just have a question. Like many times we do face a couple where a proper lovey-dovey kind of couple or partners, where the partner found that the other partner has cheated on her or him, and now the partner is like, I'm accepting that I have cheated. And I know, somehow he has cheated on me. I want to be in relationship again just because of my kids. मेरे बच्चों को MBBS कराना है, उनकी पढ़ाई है, शादी है. That's why I don't want to take a divorce or something like that. लेकिन इस आदमी के साथ मेरा sexual relationship नहीं है. You talked about hardware and software. That's why I'm asking. Like even that female, she's very understandable. She says, I'm not depressed. I'm going to my work. I'm doing everything properly. I'm taking care of my kids. I'm functioning well. I'm not depressed. I'm just hurted with the way I used to faith on my husband, and I don't want antidepressant treatment because you talked about like hardware correction, and she straightforwardly refused ki I will not take any anti-anxiety or antidepressant medication. Right. And you, being a woman, you also felt that this was something like where something went wrong with the husband. Husband accepted that it was his fault. But the wife is saying, I will not do anything. Now, how you handle such?
So one thing is like, one thing is the first thing, like I told, psychiatry is always on the side. Okay, I heard your story. What is the help expected from me? My entire first thing comes at the end. Help क्या चाहिए? Some people look at me, बच्चा लग रहा है, इसको समझ में नहीं आया क्या? इतना 1 घंटा सुना. Like 1 hour and he is asking, रामायण सुना है, राम कौन है? अरे no, it is the story I heard. What do you want from me? Why are you come here? No, I can't have sex with. It's fine. What can I do for you? What should I do for you? I want to improve relationship. Okay, let's work. Then I'll go there, right? Because antidepressants, it is not depression. It's a normal that brain's reaction. Like if you see that, na, this is a histrionic brain. Histrionic जो बोलते हैं ना, theatrical personality, थोड़ा सा फूक मारो उड़ता है, right? This is a schizoid, extrovert बोल सकते हैं. This is schizoid brain, not to confuse with schizophrenia. इसको ज़्यादा हिलाओ तो हिलेगा, right? This is depression. Schizoid person comes, I feel depressed. देख के तो लगता नहीं. Go for counseling. Depression, same depression. Histrionic brain. I am feeling very bad and what is happening? 2 medicines, ECT admission. The depression is the same. What happens? You need to understand what is the fabric of the brain. What comes on that will depend on that. So is this a depression or is this a reaction? If it is a normal reaction, you don't treat that with any medications. A lot of people had that benzodiazepine and alcohol. One thing, benzodiazepine decreases new learning. So if you are putting somebody on benzodiazepine, you are teaching something, they are not going. You are put a lock and you are saying, go. Arey lock to kholo. Right? Benzodiazepine can decrease to some extent. That's why even in textbook it is like 3 weeks of treatment. उसके बाद benzodiazepine बंद होना चाहिए, because in long term it decreases this. So if the person is depressed, I'll treat the depressive component. If it is depression, if it is a reaction, what do you want me to do? I don't want to have sex and I'm fine. The husband says I want to have sex with, but she's not. Okay, 2 people in relationship. One is out. There is no relationship. You tell the husband harm reduction. What is the harm reduction? We don't want to divorce. We want to live for the child. Fine enough. Let's work on this. As your negativity bias and this trauma decreases, you might get some spark, and that relationship, if you start doing that, even without sex, there will be some sensuality in your marriage, right? It might happen after 10 years. I've forgotten that. It's okay. I have also done many wrong things. He did that. And cheating, like, because it's sexual, what happens with sexual? The spiritual area and the sexual areas are in the temporal lobe. They're so, yes, and it's a basic instinct. It's a basic hurt that happens. And that's why sexual abuse patients have a long history of trauma, because the hardware is changed. So it is like, na, if I work on that slowly, okay, I understand that was wrong, but it can happen. But first thing is, do you want me to take you there? Or do you want, what help you want? The first thing is like, because we start thinking, okay, this is a depression, I want to improve the relation. No, it's not your goal. It's a patient's goal. What do you want from me? I heard you. I just wanted to speak and go. That's fine. Am I doing wrong? Right, wrong nahi hota. From your perspective, this is fine. From that brain's perspective, looks fine. There's no right, wrong. Then what to do? You tell me. You are here. I want to have sex. Okay, you can have. Not with my husband. You can have. I have a boyfriend. Fine. What's wrong? Is it right? Right, wrong nahi hota. So is it ethically wrong? I'm not a spiritual person. What can happen? The consequences. You will have sex and everything. You will be more bonded there. That person is married. The third person is going to call you one day, because females have a sense, na, mera husband ka chal raha hai. She will call you. Remember that day. What will you do? She has called you. I tell like, hello, are you this? You are having sex with my wife? Husband? What the hell? You bitch? You this? What will you do? I will be calm and say, yes, I am, and I'll still have sex with that person. Fine enough, you are prepared. So you have a plan A, you have a plan B, that is what I'll have. I don't say it is wrong or right. Mera amygdala hijack ho jayega. I need to know where you are going, I'll take you there. Right? But if I say, take me this, unreal hai, it doesn't happen like that. Mera prayer वापस से आ जाए, it can come, but will take time. Right? That's the hard thing or the theory thing. Practically we can do lot of things with them, but it takes time and patience. Very much like the P in psychiatry is silent. Right? P is for patience. If you have less patience, you become more impatient. If you have more patience, you become impatient. Right? So P is for, and it's silent P. That means what? मेरे पास a patient आया, he just sat there and said nothing for 5 minutes. I was also sitting quiet. All his emotions are on. Later on he felt that I am wasting doctor's time. Then he started talking. It's fine. And if he wouldn't talk, I would have felt, okay, take your time. I am fine. Half an hour, it's okay. I don't charge by 5 minutes. That is not the thing. So 5 minutes बढ़ गया तो 500 रुपए बढ़ गया, ऐसे नहीं है. Let's not matter. ठीक है ना, नहीं बात कर रहा. It's okay. You came. That is very nice. So what should I do? No, I'll tell you something next time. It's okay. Take your time. Tell your time. You need to be very comfortable with silent. Silent पे you feel के बात ही नहीं कर रहे, इतने पेशेंट बैठे, I have no more patience, can you come next day? He'll not come. If you say it's okay, वो लोग ही बोलते हैं, उनको दिखता है ना सब, ह्यूमन ब्रेन है. You have many patients, it's okay, they always wait, it's okay. You tell, what is your problem? Then he might say, okay, today I have taken your time, I'll come tomorrow. It's absolutely fine. Give that time. So you need time, you need patience, you need to be very comfortable with silence, you need to know the goal. So for your answer is goal directed. That's
Thank you, sir.
important.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
Stop that.